So what I got today in the mail was the Black Widow exhaust, aka the Widowmaker, also known as the Neighbor Hater. This is the 6-inch. The packaging was really good. I already opened it up and stuff like that. It came with some instructions here and a sticker and all that stuff, how to install it. This is a very aggressive sounding muffler. It's the loudest thing on the market right now, louder than the SLP Loudmouth 1 and 2. This company, Black Widow, has only been out for, I believe, 2 years now, I want to say. I'm not sure, but I've read 2 years. But anyway, this muffler is really aggressive. Here's the muffler itself. This is the Black Widow 6-inch muffler. And it is freaking amazing. The welds look great on it. Nice and solid. I got the 3-inch there, as you can see. It's 3-inch. The welds are amazing on it, and I'm going to be installing this as soon as possible. What this is going on a, well, rather, my 1987 Pontiac GTA, which is here in the garage. As you can see, turn that light on real quick. I don't know if you guys can see it real quick. Let it focus. But that is my GTA right there. It's a little dark in this garage. Sorry, guys. The car is black, so bear with me. But that is the GTA there. This is my 87 GTA. And I'm going to mount that on my GTA. So, yeah. That's going on there. Now, currently at the moment, my GTA sits with stock manifolds on it. It has cherry bombs in the back. But I did order brand new headers for the GTA. These are Summit headers here. Summit Shorties, I believe they call them. They're still in the box there. So I'm going to be installing those along with the Black Widow Neighbor Hater on the car. And should give it a really aggressive sound. Well, stay tuned. I plan to get working on it this weekend and start getting this stuff mounted up. Thanks for watching.